Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Notion with Apple Calendar. Start by choosing one-way import or two-way sync and pick the Notion page to receive events. Next, confirm Apple Calendar account access on your device and enable calendar sharing if needed. Prepare any tags, properties, or date fields in Notion that will match your calendar events. Doing this planning first saves time and prevents duplicate entries during setup. Automations make the connections simple and reliable for many users. Choose a service like Zapier or make and connect both your Apple Calendar and Notion accounts there. Create a workflow that triggers on new Apple Calendar events and creates or updates items in your Notion database. Carefully map title, date, and notes fields, then run a test event. Troubleshoot mapping issues and adjust triggers so duplicates and missed events are avoided. Thanks for staying with me, and if this guide helps, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more helpful content. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is excellent for reading long manuals, checklists, and step-by-step guides while you work on setups. I find it handy for following tutorials away from my desk. Look in the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you need two-way sync, set clear conflict resolution rules and use last updated timestamps to decide which change wins. Assign a unique ID for each event so updates match the correct Notion item or calendar entry. Consider syncing only selected calendars or databases to reduce noise. Schedule syncs at reasonable intervals to avoid hitting service rate limits and to minimize duplicate creation. Monitor logs during the first few days to catch unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.